In this video we would like to talk about the markups. What I am going to start with is to show you how the markups work. Let's say, for example, that you are working in a project and you are going through the 3D model and something has to be changed. Let's say, for example, is that we're looking at this pump right here, and for some sort of reason you decide is that this pump should be a different pump. And what you want to do is you want to communicate this to the, let's say, for example, external party as efficient as possible. Now what you can do is that if you right click on this pump, you can say here add markup. You get on the left side, you get a whole bar where you can give your markup a name. So for example, change pump. I'm the creator, so this is my username in eShare. The creation date automatically gets filled in over there. You give it a status, new, approved, or whatever status. In this case we'll leave it on new. And you can also give it a level of importance, so normal or high. In this case we'll leave it on normal. And we'll also give some explanation, so please change this pump into a HVC 115 or whatever the name is of the pump that you want to change it into. To be sure, you can also use all these buttons here on the top. So like this, I explain is that it is this pump that we're talking about. And I can also put in arrows, I can also put in text. Please change and say OK right here. And just to be sure, what I can also do is I can put in, for example, like coordinates, is that the people that are changing is that they know for sure in what location this is. Like this. And then once I click on OK, it gets stored in my markups. Now, once you're in home, you can see here with the latest markups, you can see all the markups that have been made. And if you want to see all the markups in the entire project, you go there and you see all the markups that are there. And of course, once you have a certain markup, you can just click on it and then the other party can have a look at what you mean. And this usually works a lot better instead of calling up somebody and explaining them what they have to do. And then with the markup, they have a better idea of what you're talking about. So that's basically it for the markup.